Hello everyone, this is the part 2 of the topic Trends of 2020. In this, we're gonna talk about the bottom wear trends. In the first number comes long pleated skirt, which gives you chic and elegant look. You can style it with a shirt, tunic, crop top, or spaghetti. Also, you can opt for a pair of classic sneaker or sandal. It is so classic piece to have in your wardrobe because you can wear it throughout the year. Second is flared pants. These are also called bell bottoms because of the reason that it becomes wider from the knees downward, forming a bell like shape of the trouser leg. Flared pants look best with pointy heels, and make sure that your top is not too long and let your pants do all the talking. Next is wide leg pants or trousers, which flatter all body types, creating relaxed yet sophisticated silhouette. Wide leg trousers will never go out of style. Remember to tuck in your top or wear a short crop top so to balance the whole outfit and not look bulky. Next is cigarette pants. They are straight and stop at the ankle and also have a pocket. It is so versatile piece that you can mix and match to wear it with both Indian and Western wear outfit. It is mainly trendy in Indian wear outfits like kurti and suit. And the last thing in bottom wear is leather pants. Leather pants or skirts have always been and always will be a fashion item that never goes out of style. A good pair of leather pants would be a perfect addition to your wardrobe. It is generally a winter item, but you can wear in summer by keeping your upper wear lightweight. This trend is basically associated with dressier and more evening appropriate. Next we have shoes sections, in which the first one is transparent heels. You must have seen these over the internet. Kim Kardashian started this clear heel trend. The best thing about it, you don't have to think twice before wearing with any outfit. But be careful, these materials can be extremely painful because the plastic material does not stretch or breathe at all, so you cannot wear it for longer duration. Next, we have bow detailing in sandals. Heels with bow detailing in sides or in the front, also in fashion. It looks so intricate and dainty. The last is square shaped sandals. These are called chunky heels because it has a wider base. It not only looks fashionable but also functional. These type of designs provide more stability than traditional high heels or stilettos. You can easily find it in every shopping websites. Bags. In 2019, fanny bags was worn around the shoulders, but now in 2020 it came down to the waist and worn as waist pouch. It is a small fabric pouch worn like a belt around the waist by use of a strap secured usually with some sort of buckle. It is versatile and look much more graceful. A hands-free purse is actually so convenient. As with transparent heels, transparent bags are also trendy. Carrying a transparent bag can be scary, but you can put non-transparent bag inside it and make it more stylish. Now comes to jewelry part. These safety earrings are popping up faster all across social media. Styling safety pins earrings which can make you look quite quirky. Next is shell earrings, which give you cool and funky look and also versatile at the same time. The last is chain necklace. You cannot get enough of it. Versatile jewelry are the best, and this is one of them. It gives you so chic and bold look. So here I am ending this video. I tried to cover everything, but if at all I missed something, you can comment down below and tell me which trend you like the most and the least. And don't forget to watch the part 1 if you have not. Thank you for watching. Bye.